Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you the daily profits on this particular account that we've been running using our uGenesys trend indicator. Alright, now today we only received one signal, which was the GBP USD. Alright, now you can look at the other symbols. We have GBP Swiss and we have GBP CAD, but we didn't get a signal for those. So we got a signal for GBP USD and it was a buy signal. Now, this morning at that time, our master trend was giving me all up. So 15 minutes was uptrend, 30 minutes was uptrend, 1 hour was uptrend. So this was where I entered the trade and I exited right here. So this was my take profit. Okay, let me also show you more proof. So you can see this was about 6 a.m. this morning, and you can see exactly where I entered the trade right here, and this was my take profit, a very small and achievable take profit. All right, and here you can see the results. Okay, now the thing about intraday trading is that you have to be very quick. You need to be in and out of the markets very quickly. Sometimes I do hold my trades for maybe 1 day or 2 days or even 3 days, but that doesn't happen all the time. All right, so it's very good if you can just get into the market and get out very quickly. All right, so guys, I'm going to put the link to our uGenesys trend indicator in the description of this video. And yeah, if you guys want to improve your trading, if you're a beginner, I think this indicator is amazing for you because it will definitely help you to be more profitable trading the Forex market. All right, guys, so I'll see you next time. Take care.